What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2003 Ford F-150 Triton V8. Nice truck. He's fixing it up little by little. He just put some exhaust on it. So we got 4 factory or aftermarkets here, 2 of them, and then 2 factories over here. So 2 high flows there and 2 regular there. Then what we did is true dualed it for him all the way back. That's what he wanted. We said, we got you. Here are glass packs that he brought, part number 87522CB. There'll be a link in the description for him, as you guys can see right there. Then we continued with 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back on each side. And he's getting a new bumper, so we didn't put him any tips yet. He's gonna, once he puts the new bumper on, he might bring it back and we'll put tips on it. So there it is with regular pipe. There's the original exhaust that was on it, all rotted out. We took it out, cleaned it up for him, and ran new exhaust for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, it was a rolling joke at first. He had it was quiet, not fast, just loud. Now it's not fast, but really loud. Go ahead. Yeah, there's definitely. Good. Here's sound that 112. That sounds really nice. Again. Yeah, 112. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, like that. Always, when they first came out, I always wanted one of these because of the. I thought they would look. Here on the inside. Ford F-150 True Dual with cherry bombs, glass packs. You can tell that's new rubber on it too. They're massive. I like it. He's getting it cleaner and cleaner by the day. That's what us car guys do. We just keep playing with them.